Yo, what is up guys? In today's tutorial, I'm about to show you how you can get the latest working Pokemon Go hack and the only working Pokemon Go spoofer that will give you tons of great options. Let me show you the spoofer. This is it. As you can see, you will get Pokemon Go JoyStick, IV Radar, coordinates, nearby radar, teleport, and feed radar. You choose the options you want enabled, click on the activate button, and you will have those options enabled in the right corner of your mobile phone. And all I gotta say that this is the only working Pokemon Go hack and the only working Pokemon Go spoofer out there. I've tested many of those, but this one actually worked for me without any problems, and it perfectly works for both iOS and Android devices. And all you gotta do is to simply follow my steps. So if you're an Android users, make sure that you turn off the battery saver mode. If you're iOS users, go to settings, scroll down to general, background app refresh, and make sure that it is turned on just like mine. So Wi-Fi and mobile data. Now I want you to go to your browser and search for the website called. It's a website full of tweaked apps, plus apps, and many more great options. You can choose whatever tweak for whichever app you want, so check it out. But we are now interested in this one, Pokemon Go spoofer. Just click on it and we can see that tons of people downloaded it and the rating is 5 stars. Simply click on the download now button and the downloading process will begin. I want to mention that after this loading, there is one simple step that I'm about to show you how you need to pass it, and it is the iOS or Android version verification, which means they need to verify your iOS or Android version before you can get the spoofer, which is really easy. I will now explain you how you need to do it. So device version verification, and then you will be redirected to this website. It says verify your iOS or Android version by downloading 3 apps from the list below. So it's not a human verification, no human verification. It's a simple iOS version verification. And all you gotta do is to download 3 apps from this list. As you can see, there is a bunch of apps and you need to follow the instructions. For example, install crypto.com app and run it for 30 seconds. You just click on the open button and you will be redirected to official Google Play or App Store depending on your device. As you can see, and all those apps you install for the iOS or Android version verification are free to use, as you can see, from official publishers. And all I gotta do now is to download it, open it for 30 seconds, and that's it. And you need to do it for 3 apps from this list. And once you complete that, I want you to restart your device. When your device is restarted, you should see the iSpoofer app. If you don't see it, just repeat the steps and make sure that you verify your iOS or Android version correctly, or otherwise it won't work, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure that you like this video if this worked out for you. Leave a comment below if you have any problems. Cheers.